How to use Wells Fargo Digital Wallet. Now, this is a very easy and quick guide. And right now, I'm currently using my laptop for us to be able to access the Wells Fargo Digital Wallet guide. So for you to be able to do so, just simply pull up your preferred web browser and then head directly to the wellsfargo.com's official website. Now in here, you can choose to log in and you can also just directly pull up the guide for you to be able to get it step-by-step process. Now, Wells Fargo Digital Wallet is you can use it for secure purchases, widely accepted, uniquely yours, and the ATM is accessible. You can use this for adding a cards to your digital wallet, use your digital wallet at checkout, and you can also get instant purchase confirmation. Now, these are there available payees for you to be able to use this as a payment method. Now, it's available for Pays, for Apple Pay, for Google Play, Samsung Pay, PayPal, and Garmin Pay. Now, if you wanted to have or to create a digital wallet, just simply log into your account and then go to your account dashboard and register for a digital wallet. So that's how easy and quick you can use the digital wallet on Wells Fargo.